If your check engine light shows a P0300 code, don't replace any parts yet. In the next 2 minutes, I'll show you the first 2 things every mechanic checks before spending hundreds of dollars. If you are seeing a P0300 error code, this video will demonstrate 2 practical ways to resolve it at home. Start by using the Zeus app to scan your vehicle and confirm the P0300 code. This indicates that 2 or more cylinders are experiencing misfires. To identify the specific source of the issue, you should inspect each cylinder individually until you locate the faulty one. Once you have identified the misfiring cylinders, there are 2 simple DIY solutions you can try to resolve the issue. Method A, the spark plug. The spark plugs are located at the engine side of the ignition wires, situated underneath the plug covers, also known as spark plug boots, that connect them. To address the misfire, start by carefully removing the spark plug. Use a spark plug gapper to check the gap between the electrodes. Typically, the spacing should be between 0.024 and 0.071 inches. If you find that the spacing is too low, use the gapper tool to adjust it back into the recommended range. If you notice any obvious signs of damage to the spark plug, simply replace it with a new one, rather than attempting to adjust it. Method B, the ignition coil. Ignition coils are generally mounted directly onto the cylinder head, positioned precisely above the spark plug. Begin by carefully removing the ignition coil from the engine. Once removed, inspect it thoroughly to see if it is stained or shows any signs of physical damage. If the ignition coil is coated with engine oil or grime, use a WD-40 cleaner to carefully remove the buildup. However, if you find that the coil is cracked, burnt, or physically damaged, do not attempt to clean it. Instead, replace the faulty unit with a brand new ignition coil to ensure your engine runs properly. To effectively resolve the P0300 error code after your repair, you can use the Zeus app to clear the code from the system. Once cleared, simply tap the rescan button to confirm that your vehicle is functioning correctly and the issue is resolved. If this video helped you, hit the like button and subscribe to Engine Clinic for more quick DIY engine code fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.